Hey, Dr. Chris, welcome back to another one of your home rehab videos. This one is on cervical traction. So the traction unit looks like this. It's in the plastic case that you were given within your home rehab kit. The traction unit is designed to work on improving the curvature of your neck. You'll start off usually around 10 to 15 repetitions, and you'll increase that over time. It's anywhere from 10 to 15, upwards of 60, based off your own specific condition. So it has three components in it. The first one is the instructions, which is this white piece of paper, the traction unit itself, as well as the piece that hangs over your door. You will hang this piece over the door. On the other side, you'll tie this in a knot. And the best place for the height is this loop here that goes around your neck. It should sit freely right below the back of your head. And that will be the right height for you. So we're going to demonstrate what to do, what not to do on this. So Megan's going to show you here. You're going to stand shoulder width apart. It will be an underhand grip as well. And this will be a slight knee bend. And you'll come down, you're going to hold for a second or two, and then you'll repeat this. So you're going to come down, hold 1, 2, and then up. So if you have poor range of motion in your neck, if you have a forward head posture, then this is going to work on correcting that over time. But you have to stay consistent with this and make sure you do this every single day. Now, what not to do on this, there's two ways you can injure yourself on this. The first way is if you stick your butt out and then you come straight down. That's putting a lot of stress on your neck as well as your lower back. It's a common mistake. Make sure you don't do that. Make sure you're standing up nice and straight. And then the other way you can injure yourself is that if you extend too much. And that would be if you're closer towards your door and you're fully extending your back and now you're coming down with that. That's going to injure you as well over time. So make sure you don't do those two things. Stay up nice and straight, come straight down, and that will work on improving that range of motion over time. Enjoy this exercise. It's one of my favorite ones to do. It works wonders, and when we see those new x-rays of your neck, we're going to see a pretty cool updated x-ray. Have a great day, and I'll see you at your next visit.